I'm starting a new series where we're testing out sweat-proof makeup. I want to figure out what makeup actually withholds a hard workout, a long sweat. When I leave the house, I like to look good, I like to look put together, but I don't want to try too hard, but I still want to make it look like, wow, she's perfect, but also she's working out. How does she do it? And also while I'm working out, I just feel better about myself if I look good, feel good. So that's this series. We're going to be going on a run right now. I'm going to run about, I don't know how many miles. I'm training for a triathlon, so I'm really just gonna run as hard and as fast as I can for as long as I can, and we'll see. I'm gonna go on my run, come back, and we're gonna see how the sweat withheld. Starting off, this is the Tower 28 spray. It's like a rescue face mist. If you're somebody who breaks out a lot from physical activity or sweating, it's gonna let that mist do its thing. On top of that, I really want just like a moisturized, plump skin base. So the half and half peptides from Prequel, I've talked about it a million times, my favorite. It's similar to the glazing milk. It's similar to the Ilia Essence. It's essentially just a moisturizer that's really lightweight on the skin. I really want my sweat to complement my makeup, so I want my makeup to be extra glowy and dewy. So you can't really tell if it's sweat or if I'm just glowing. I got my coffee ready to go. This is the Evolve Together lip balm. It's such a good, just everyday moisturizing lip product. I think I'll start off with the tried and true combo that I've been talking about a lot lately. Supernatural RMS SPF. It has a really high zinc count, and I love it to mix the medium and the light together. I'm a little bit tan, but I'm not too tan, so it will like just bronze up your skin. You're like, oh no, I got it all over my the bottom half of my body, you guys. Fall is here and I'm freaking cold. So I have the bottom half of my body with the robe on, which is so frustrating. Can't believe I just got makeup all over it. I'm just gonna combine them on my hands to simplify. So I don't know what it is about this SPF, but it acts almost like a primer. So it's gonna base our makeup and make our skin just look glowy. I don't want to put anything mattifying down because the sweat on your face kind of starts to come out through the makeup if you wear anything too dry or too powdery. So just keep in mind, depending on your skin type is going to depend on how you base your skin. Today we are gluing the brows down. So I'm going to use Infinite Hold Sculpting Gel from Make Beauty. I only use this when I want them to literally stay, not move at all. For all over, this is the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion, and I'm in color Light Glow, and I'm just gonna use that to make my skin extra glowy. You can see the glow I already have, and you really just don't need foundation on days like this where you're just gonna go work out. I understand that this might be more steps than you would normally do, but I'm just testing out makeup to see what works. Kosas concealer because it's just gonna cover up anything I want and not look too heavy on the skin. I'm gonna bronze up with this stick from Makeup by Mario in color Light. I really just want to sharpen up my features and make myself look extra good, extra bronzy. I'm thinking even a little bit on my lid. I'm not gonna be doing much with my eyes because I'm just gonna be wearing sunglasses. For blush, I feel like this is the most important part because we want our blush to last. We want it to stay on our skin. We want it to complement that redness we're gonna get from actually running and being in the sun. So this is the Milk Makeup color Chill. I love a stain, especially if you're gonna work out because then it doesn't go anywhere. So a little on the lips as well, curling my lashes. I really don't want to wear mascara because I feel like it will run down, but if you want to, you can do a waterproof one. With this concealer, I feel like I don't even need to set my makeup, so I'm just gonna leave it without powder. Overlining my lips with the Kosas lip liner in color Beyond. Tiny brow fill just on the end. And on top of the lip, I'm gonna use the Prequel SPF 30 Broad in Rose Dust. Such a good lip product. I've used so much of this, it like hardly even wants to come out. Locking it all in with the Kosas Cloud Set. And a touch of highlight, and this one is from Tower 28. Amazing. Now I'm just gonna do my hair. I'm just gonna use a little clip, comb it back. I have this IKT stick. We're going that slick vibe today. I'm gonna just turn the back, pull it up. Kristen S hairspray. I'm ready. I'm gonna go out on my run. Coffee. So far so good. We're on mile 3. Basically dragging my dog. She's not into it. You got this through, like motivating her the entire way.
Look at this view. How could you not be outside on a day like today, right, Rue? Tuesday afternoon at 11 a.m. So good. Check in. Not too sweaty. Definitely glowy. How's it looking? Looks good so far. Good. Let's go. This is what I'm dealing with. Her just pulling the entire time. That is our destination. Started all the way back past the Venice Pier. We're running clear to the Santa Monica Pier and back. Woo! Halfway makeup check. Step into the sun. Mile 8! Just made it back to the car. Let's go home under the lights and see what this makeup looks like. Rue did an exceptional job. 10 stars for my Dougies.
Whew, you guys, that was really tough. I ran really fast and I ran really hard. Not that fast. I'm not that proud of my pace. It was like an 11 to 13 minute mile, but I ran 8 miles and my skin, let's like get a good mirror and check it out. All right, lips are totally off. I have a line on my face from my sunnies. The hair, could have used a little bit more spray and wax. That will have to come in the next video. I have under my eyes some creasing, but next time I just think I'll either take off more of that concealer or honestly not really wear concealer, because if I'm wearing sunglasses the whole time, I don't really need it. I burned over 1,000 calories on that run, so when I came home, I needed to eat something, so I just ate something. I ate a little smoothie really quick. So I actually filmed that, so it's on my socials. I have a little bit of liner still, but for the most part, honestly, pretty impressed. The brows are perfectly in place. I'm glowy. I ran by the beach, so my skin has this like film on it from the beach. I'm no longer sweaty because it's freezing in my house, but you can tell my skin is just like still glowing. I don't really have that much blush on, but I still have a little hue of blush. My under eyes are still concealed. I had a little bit of creasing. My lips are completely gone, but I mean, obviously if I'm running that long and drinking water and you know, but overall, I'm really happy with the way my makeup looks. I'm gonna have to keep testing this out. I'm gonna get that lip stain that you like peel off. I feel like that will really keep the lips on, but overall, I think I still look really good. So I'm happy with the way my makeup looked. I'm about to shower, but when I get out of the shower, I'm just gonna put on more of this SOS spray. It'll keep any acne and bacterias from growing on your skin after sweating. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and this new series where I'm going to be testing out makeup and seeing if it's sweat proof. Let me know if you have any products you would like for me to test out, or if you have any questions. Happy to answer, and I'll see you guys in the next one.